When disaster strikes, food becomes life.
But who makes this food?
Floods, earthquakes, hurricanes, moments when supply chains collapse overnight.
Inside, the factory wakes up. This is where emergency food is made.
Every shift begins with precision. Thousands of systems come online, all at once. This label changes everything. Everything here is built to run without stopping.
This factory feeds millions when the world breaks.
When disasters hit, shelves empty fast.
Relief efforts depend on speed, scale, and preparation. Without food, survival time drops quickly.
Response plans are mapped long before disaster arrives. Every shipment begins with strict government oversight.
In emergencies, food shortages appear faster than expected.
Backup supplies wait in secure storage. Many organizations depend on what's made here.
Millions of meals are stored before they're ever needed.
Every second here is planned for survival. Scale matters when millions depend on the result.
Here, production never stands still.
Every line is constantly monitored.
Everything starts with raw materials. Every ingredient is handled mechanically. Temperature control protects quality from the start.
Nothing here is accidental.
These machines run around the clock.
You can hear efficiency working.
This place never sleeps.
It begins with basic, reliable ingredients. Protein is measured, not assumed. Even vegetables are preserved with precision.
Nothing enters production without inspection.
Moisture levels are checked down to the smallest margin. Contamination checks happen before anything else. Anything questionable is removed instantly. Only approved ingredients move on. From here, production begins.
One mistake here could cost lives.
Ingredients are ground and blended into a single base. High pressure locks in nutrients during cooking.
Steam is carefully released, never wasted.
Nutrition is protected at every stage. Automation ensures consistency, batch after batch.
Every nutrient is digitally balanced.
Texture matters more than it seems.
Human checks still matter. Each stage flows directly into the next. Here, food becomes a standardized portion.
These shapes are designed for survival. Every gram is accounted for. Anything outside tolerances is removed.
Only approved portions move forward.
This food must survive years, untouched. Preservation begins with freeze-drying. Inside, oxygen and pressure are carefully removed.
Moisture is pulled away without damaging the food.
Drying happens over time, not minutes.
The result is lighter food with the same nutrition.
This food is designed to last for years. Oxygen is removed to stop decay. Protective gas seals instability. Final moisture checks confirm stability.
Water is the enemy here.
Every batch is examined at the microscopic level.
Bacteria testing leaves no room for error. Chemical stability is tested under strict conditions. Extreme temperatures test real-world survival. Packaging must survive rough handling. Time is accelerated to predict the future. Nutrition labels are verified, line by line. Government standards are non-negotiable. Only approved batches move forward. Only perfect food moves forward. Packaging is built to military-grade standards. Vacuum sealing removes the last remaining air. Heat seals lock everything in place. Multiple layers protect against heat, light, and air.
Every package is tracked from start to finish.
Expiry dates are permanent and precise.
Final checks still rely on human eyes.
Clear warnings matter in emergencies. Automation secures every shipment.
This package may save a family.
Finished food waits in controlled storage. Temperature control continues even after production.
Automation keeps inventory moving safely.
Every pallet is marked for where it's needed most.
Supplies are sorted by destination.
Inventory is tracked down to the last box. Emergency stock levels are monitored constantly. Delivery routes are planned before disasters strike. Shipments wait for the call. The shipment is sealed and ready.
From here, it heads into the world.
Distribution begins the moment it leaves the gate. Emergence food travels the same roads as everyday supply.
Coordination connects factories to communities.
Regional hubs prepare food for rapid deployment. Arrival is handled with the same precision. Unloading begins the next phase. Distribution begins with organized intake.
Staging reduces response time.
Dispatch decisions are made in real time.
Final checks happen before every mission.
From here, response becomes action. Food moves long before help is seen.
Emergency food travels far to reach those in need.
Coordination begins before the destination.
Routes adjust as conditions change.
Supply lines stay steady, even when surroundings don't.
Food is positioned for immediate distribution.
Careful handling continues until the very end.
This is where preparation becomes relief.
When systems work, people don't notice. They just eat. If you want to see more real-world processes like this, subscribe for what's coming next.